In this video, we're going to discuss a portion of the motor system, which is made up of our bones. We will discuss the skeletal system. The motor systems are an interplay of organ systems which allow animals to produce movement. The nervous system plays a key role in issuing commands to the muscular system. The muscular system, in turn, exerts the force that makes the animal's body move. Now, this force is going to be applied to the skeletal system. A skeleton has many different functions. It supports the body, allows for movement, and also protects. Various internal organs and structures. All vertebrates have an endoskeleton. Hard supporting elements situated within and among soft tissues. The human endoskeleton is composed of bones and cartilage. Our skeleton is composed of two primary regions. The axial skeleton supports the axis of the body. This includes the skull, vertebral column, and rib cage. Whereas the appendicular skeleton is made up of the bones of the limbs, shoulders, and pelvis. These are the regions that connect the appendages of the body to the axial skeleton. Now, much of the versatility of our skeleton comes from its movable joints. There are a variety of different types of joints, including ball and socket joints, hinge joints, and also pivot joints. There are also some joints which aren't movable, such as the joints between the different bones of our cranium. Now, bones are complex organs consisting of several kinds of tissue. Bones are covered with a layer of connective tissue. Bones have cartilage at the ends that help cushion the joints. Bones are also served by blood vessels and nerves. When we look at the structure of a long bone, there is a central cavity, which is composed mostly of yellow bone marrow, which is primarily stored fat. But then at the ends of the long bones, we have these spongy regions, which contain red bone marrow. This is a specialized tissue that produces our blood cells. Now, the human skeleton is quite strong and provides reliable support, but it is susceptible to disease and injury. One example of a disease of the skeletal system is arthritis. An inflammation of the joints. It affects 1 out of every 7 people in the United States. Now, a specific type of arthritis, known as rheumatoid arthritis, is caused by an autoimmune disease in which the body's own immune system recognizes the cartilage at the end of the joints as being foreign and causing injury and inflammation to those joints. This can even affect people very early in life. Another disease of the skeletal system is osteoporosis. In which the bones become thinner and more porous as calcium salts leave them. This is most common in women after menopause. Now, whether we're talking about an osteoporotic bone or a normal bone, if a force is applied to a bone beyond its capacity to bend, the result is going to be a broken bone or a fracture. Now, the treatment of a fracture usually involves 2 steps. The first is known as setting the bone, getting it back into the position it needs to be in order to heal properly, and then immobilizing the bone. Until the body can repair the fracture. Now, in very severe cases, a fracture may require surgical insertion of rods or plates and screws to hold the pieces of the bone together in order to allow for proper healing. In our next video, we'll discuss the muscular system of the body and how it cooperates with the skeletal system to allow for movement. See you in the next video.